here, in the cupboard.
Over 300 years ago, Saxony was ruled by King Augustus the Strong.
Why was he called that?
Because he was outstandingly strong, of course. They say he could even break a horseshoe with his bare hands.
What's more, he was very rich and very fond of porcelain.
Long ago, the art of porcelain making was only known in China, whereas craftsmen elsewhere made clay pottery that was nowhere near as handsome and could easily break. The porcelain dishes made in China were gorgeous, pale white, lightweight, slim, strong, durable, colorful.
Augustus the Strong hired men called alchemists who were trying to create an elixir of eternal life and a philosopher's stone that could be used to make gold. Well, they tried to figure out the secret of porcelain making too. And one day they did. His alchemist mixed just the right ingredients. Kaolinite, quartz, and feldspar.
Augustus the Strong ordered nearly 600 life-sized porcelain birds and animals to be made for his palace.
Like us.
Like us?
We don't come from Augustus the Strong's porcelain menagerie, though. The king didn't want anyone else to have animals identical to those in his collection, so he ordered the artist who made them to destroy the molds.
And then he made us!
First, we were put into a kiln, where we were heated to an extremely high temperature. That makes porcelain clay dense, glassy, resistant to water and acid, and slightly translucent.
Then the artist painted us and put us back into the kiln, where the colors transformed. An artist must know that when porcelain is heated, then a light gray cobalt paint will, for example, turn into...
What color?
Well, what do you think?
I don't know.
Bright blue.
Wow.